Hi friends, today we're going to check out a cool little resource that's going to help us with our math. As you may know, we have been working on counting to 100. So today we're going to count some objects that are going to help us practice our counting. So first we're going to open up our internet browser and we're going to go up to the top bar right here. And we're going to click it and we're going to type in mathgames.com. And when you go to the website, it should look something like this. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to skills. And you're going to type 100. And you're going to click enter. And you're going to click count objects up to 100. And then you're going to click start. First, we're going to watch this cool little ad.
Count the boxes. Total.
So we're going to count the boxes and type in how many boxes there are. So remember, take your time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 boxes. So we're going to type in 1, 3, and click answer. Now we're going to count the presents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 presents. So we're going to type in 1, 2, and click answer. Count the fire trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to type in 1, 0, click answer. Count the boats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 boats, so we're going to type in 10 and click answer. Remember, there can be a lot of objects, so take your time, friends. Let's count the hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we're going to type in 2, 1 and click answer. Once you're all done, your screen should look something like this. You can either choose to replay the same math questions and practice and get better, or you can level up. Either one is completely fine. Leveling up is a little challenging, but I'm pretty sure all you guys can do it. Alright, let's practice our math. Thank you, friends. Have a good day.